In this video, I will show you how to change the font on your Instagram bio. This can be a great way to add some personality to your account and make it stand out from the rest. I'll walk you through the steps so you can change it up and have some fun with it. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, open up your preferred web browser and then go over to this exact website gfonts.io, and then when you are on this website, tap on where it says Add Text Here and you can type or paste in whatever you like. So for example, I am simply going to type in just for fun. And then you can scroll down and you can see all of these unique text fonts that are available to you. So you can tap and hold on any of these fonts. You can copy them. And then go over to your Instagram profile and then tap on Edit Profile. And then tap on Bio and then simply paste that text over here. Tap on this check mark over here and boom, now my bio looks like this. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.